Meaning of fraternally.
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 Fraternally. Fraternally is an adverb that describes an action or behavior performed in a friendly, brotherly, or helpful manner towards others. It is derived from the word fraternal, which means brotherly. When someone acts fraternally towards another person, they are demonstrating kindness, generosity, and goodwill. This can be seen in a fraternal organization, where members address each other as brothers and work together for a common cause. Fraternal behavior is essential in building strong relationships and fostering a sense of community. Ultimately, acting fraternally helps to promote harmony and unity among people.